Have a friend or family member selling their house through the holidays? Well, here's a couple just thinking of you gifts you can swing by to add some holiday cheer. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and yes, selling your house can add some stress, especially when it's through the holidays. So if you know someone, here's quick 5 tips for maybe a little gift that just will brighten their day. First, a travel coffee mug to keep them happy and fully caffeinated when they rush around and out the house the last minute for a showing. How about passes to a movie theater, so if they have a long block of showings, they can enjoy some entertainment and fun as well while being out of the house. Now, you could also do a weekly cleaner or just a one-time cleaner to make sure their home is always clean. A doormat is a fun way to add curb appeal and welcome someone into a home as well. You always want one that's new and fresh, so that's another tip for an idea. And lastly, local gift cards to restaurants or breakfast spots so that your friends and family can keep their kitchens spick and span before the showings ahead. Love on those sellers in your life this holiday season. It can be stressful. We're always here to help make that process as smooth as possible. If you're thinking of selling, give us a call today so we can talk to the benefits about actually selling through the holidays. 913-449-1950. And in the meantime, share some holiday cheer.